Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon, Sir Robert. Today we are going to present on how problem number 2 can be solved. First, we are going to read the problem. A fast food service group member receives an annual basic salary of 158,400 pesos. He works 22 days each month, 8 hours per day. This week, he rendered 4 hours of overtime on Thursday and worked 6 hours of a night shift between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. On his rest day, what is his total gross pay for the week, including these adjustments? First, we're going to read the question number A or problem number A. Letter A. What is his monthly salary and daily rate? So, first we're going to get the monthly salary, which is this formula. We are going to get that by using this formula. Annual salary divided by 12. So, as we can see in our problem, the annual salary is 158,400. So, we are going to put 158,400 there. Divided by 12. So, we are going to get 13,200. So, now, our monthly salary will be 13,200 pesos. Now, we are going to proceed on how do we get the daily rate. First, we are going to get the monthly salary, which is 13,200 pesos. So, we are going to put 13,200 pesos here. And we are going to see on how many days he works on each month. So as we can see in our problem, there are 22 days we work on each month. And we're going to put 13,200 pesos divided by 12. So we're going to get the daily salary, which is 600 pesos. Let's proceed on letter B. What is his hourly rate? By getting hourly rate, we're going to use the formula hourly equals daily rate divided by hours worked. So the daily rate that we get in letter A is 600 pesos. And we're going to divide it by 8. Why? Because he works 8 hours per day. So 600 divided by 8 is equal 75 pesos. In overall, his hourly rate is 75 pesos. We're going to proceed on the next question, which is letter C. How much will he earn for 4 hours of overtime? The formula is hourly rate times hours worked times 1.25. So, the hourly rate is 75 pesos. And he works for 4 hours. So, we are going to put the 4 in the equation. Times 1.25. How do we get the 1.25 there? So, in overtime, he will get 1.25 times multiplier. So, we are going to put all the numbers and 75 times 4 times 1.25 is equals 375. Overall, he will earn 375 pesos for 4 hours of overtime. Let's proceed on question letter D. How much will he earn for 6 hours of night shift work on his rest day? The formula here is night shift plus rest day. So, we're going to add the multiplier, which is for night shift, the multiplier there is 1.10. And for rest day, the multiplier is 1.30. So, we're going to get 1.40 multiplier. The formula on how do we get the total night shift and rest day work is hourly rate times hours work times 1.40. So, we have a 75 pesos hourly rate. And he works for 6 hours in that day. And we are going to put the multiplier, which is the 1.40 multiplier. So, 75 times 6 times 1.40 is equals to 630. Overall, he will earn 630 pesos for 6 hours of night shift work on his rest day. Lastly, we're going to answer letter E. What is his total gross pay for the week, including these adjustments? So, to get the daily rate, to get the day,
Regular.
the, the daily, weekly,
Regular.
yes, so we need to get the weekly allowance on how days he works. So, daily rate times 5, or we are going to put 600 because daily rate is, his daily rate is 600 pesos. 600 pesos times 5 is equals 3,000. How many days he works? 5. 5 days. So we put 5 here. So we get 3,000 now. So we're going to add them all to get our gross pay. 3,000 is his regular day. Night shift is his 630 pesos is his night shift. And lastly, 375 pesos is his overtime payment. So we are going to add them all to get the gross pay, which is 3,000 plus 630 plus 375 equals 4,005. And this total gross pay is 4,005. That's all. Thank you.